Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body. It's responsible for filtering toxins and other harmful substances from your bloodstream, making it an essential part of your overall health. However, due to the abundance of toxins in our environment, our liver can become overloaded, leading to various health problems. That's why it's important to detox and cleanse your liver naturally. In this video, we'll discuss 7 effective ways to detox and cleanse your liver naturally. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet is crucial for maintaining liver health. Your liver needs nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like magnesium, selenium, and zinc to function properly. To support liver function, you should eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. You should also avoid processed foods, fried foods, and foods high in saturated fats and sugars, as these can put stress on your liver. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for liver health. Water helps flush toxins out of your body and keeps your liver functioning optimally. You should aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is essential for liver health. Exercise helps your liver function properly by improving blood flow and increasing oxygen levels in your body. It also helps you maintain a healthy weight, which can reduce your risk of liver disease. You should aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes per day, 5 days a week. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for liver health. When you sleep, your body repairs and regenerates cells, including liver cells. Lack of sleep can lead to liver damage and other health problems. You should aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Use natural liver cleansers. Certain foods and supplements can help detoxify and cleanse your liver naturally. Some examples include milk thistle. Milk thistle is an herb that has been shown to protect liver cells from damage and improve liver function. Dandelion root. Dandelion root is a natural diuretic that can help flush toxins out of your liver and kidneys. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown to protect liver cells from damage and improve liver function. Lemon water. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can help stimulate bile production, which helps your liver detoxify your body. Reduce your alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to liver damage and other health problems. If you drink alcohol, you should do so in moderation. Reduce your exposure to toxins. Reducing your exposure to toxins is crucial for liver health. Toxins can come from sources like pollution, cleaning products, and personal care products. You can reduce your exposure to toxins by using natural cleaning products, using natural personal care products, filtering your water, eating organic foods. Conclusion: your liver plays a crucial role in your overall health, so it's important to take care of it. By eating a healthy diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, using natural liver cleansers, reducing your alcohol intake, and reducing your exposure to toxins, you can detox and cleanse your liver naturally. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you'll be taking an important step towards optimal health and wellness. If you found this video informative, click the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more health videos.